Hello students, hope you are well. This video is the continuation of the previous video. In the previous class we have seen lesson 1 page 11 to 12. In this video we will continue to page 13 to 16. This video deals with lesson 1 part 2 explanation of page 13 to 16. So students, all of you open your book to page number 13. Along with it, take your classwork note as well as homework note. I hope you all have done your homeworks. I have given some fill-ups. I hope everyone should done it. So now let's move on to our lesson. Do you remember about whom we have seen in the last class? Yes, it is Malala, a Pakistani activist who took a bullet for education. And in the previous video we have seen a lot about her. I hope you have understood it. Now let's have a short look of the previous video. Lesson 1, Why I Don't Wear Earrings, from I Am Malala. Summary of part 1, page 11 and 12. Malala Yousafzai is a Pakistani activist for female education. In this extract, that means in this lesson, Malala talks about why she does not wear earrings and tells the story of a personal incident from her childhood. As a child, Malala gained a reputation for being highly intelligent in her classes. She participated in almost every student activity. That means she was called a name genius. Okay, she was called genius. She is very active in both academic as well as extracurricular activities. One year, a new student named Malka-e-Noor appeared in her class. We have seen about her, and quickly began doing better than Malala on her exams. Malala was at first shocked that anyone could upstage her. Around this time, Malala's family moved to a different house and she befriended a girl in her new neighborhood named Safina. Okay, this time they were moving to a new place and there she found a girl named Safina and they became friends. One day, Malala discovered that her toy telephone had gone missing and she suspected Safina of stealing it. Safina da அந்த phone திருடுனா அப்படின்னு இவன் நம்பினா. In response, Malala stole Safina's jewelry and then quickly developed a bad habit of stealing from others. Okay, she was compelled to do it again and again. She does. And it became a habit. The stealing became a habit for Malala. To our lesson. Children, take page 13. In page 12, last line, over and over she pounded her eyes. Now page 13. Would not meet mine. What I had done. I was very sad and went to my room. Okay, Malala says, she came home from school and she was calling out her mother out of hunger. Amma, I am hunger. But her mother was not responding her. So she was upset and she was thinking what I have done, what wrong I have done, and she was just going back to her room. அப்படி ரொம்ப சோகமாக அவள் கூப்பிட்டு அவங்க அம்மா பதில் கொடுக்காதனால அவள் ரொம்ப சோகமாக அவளோட ரூமுக்கு மலலா போகிறா. நெக்ஸ்ட், when I opened my cupboard, I saw that all the things I had taken were gone. I had been caught. Okay, when she opened her cupboard, she could see the things were not there. What are the things that she have stole? The things were not there. Now she understood that she had been caught. Okay, அவளை அவங்க அம்மா கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டாங்க. அவள் திருடுறா அப்படின்றத அவங்க அம்மா கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டாங்க. My cousin Reena came into my room. They knew you were stealing, she said. They were waiting for you to come clean, but you just kept on. Okay, now Malala's cousin, her name is Reena. She is the girl who reveals the truth. Okay, she came to her room and she was telling her, now everyone knows that you were stealing. எல்லாருக்கும் தெரிஞ்சிட்டு நீ திருடுற அப்படின்னு தெரிஞ்சிட்டு எல்லாரும் உனக்காக வெயிட் பண்ணாங்க நீ உண்மையை சொல்லுவேன்னு. பட் நீ இங்கே திரும்ப வந்துட்ட அப்படின்னு அவ சொல்கிறா. I felt a terrible singing feeling in my stomach. I walked back to my mother and my head bowed. Okay, now she is feeling very uncomfortable. Okay, ஏதாவது நம்ம தப்பு பண்ணிட்டோன்னா நமக்கு அப்படியே வயிறு கலக்கி அப்படி பயப்படுவோம்ல, அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஃபீலிங் அவளுக்குள்ளே வந்துச்சு. A singing feeling, that means a terrible feeling that indicates that something bad is going to happen. She feels that something will be happening. I walked back to my mother with my head bowed. Okay, putting her head down, she is going to meet her mother. What you did was wrong, Malala, she said. Her mother is saying that, Malala, what you have done is the wrong thing. Are you trying to bring shame on us that we can't afford to buy such things? Okay, இதெல்லாம் எங்களால் வாங்கி கொடுக்க முடியாதுன்னு எங்களை கேவலப்படுத்த நினைக்கிறியா அப்படின்னு அவங்க அம்மா கேட்குறாங்க. It's not true, I lied, I didn't take them. Okay, now she is saying, no அம்மா, I did not take them, நான்லாம் அதை எடுக்கலை. But she knew I had. Okay, but her mother knows, அவங்க அம்மாவுக்கு நல்லாவே தெரியும், she only taken the things. Shafina started it. I protest. She took the pink phone that Appa bought me. Okay, now she's telling the truth. What is the cause? Okay, எதனால இது நடந்துச்சு அப்படின்னு அவ சொல்றா. Safina only started. அவள் தான் துவங்கினா, அவள் தான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு என்னோட அப்பா வாங்கி தந்த ஃபோனை அவள் ஃபஸ்ட்டு திருடினா, அதனால தான் நான் அதை செய்ய ஆரம்பித்தேன் அப்படின்னு மலாலா சொல்கிறான். Next section. My mother was unmoved. Okay, by hearing this, her mother was very shocked. Shafina is younger than you and you should have taught her better, she said. You should have set an example. Okay, சஃபினா உன்னை விட ரொம்ப சின்ன பொண்ணு, அவளுக்கு இதை விட நல்ல மாதிரி நீ அவளுக்கு டீச் பண்ணியிருக்கலாம். இஃப் ஷி டன் த ராங் திங், யூ கேன் டீச் ஹர் அ பெட்டர் திங். ஓகே, யூ ஷுட் ஹாவ் செட் அன் எக்ஸாம்பிள். அவளுக்கு ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் நீ செட் பண்ணியிருக்கணும். பட் யூ ஹவ் டன் த ராங் திங். I started crying and apologized over and over again. Don't tell Abba, I begged. Okay, now she started crying and asking sorry. Okay, amma kitta மன்னிப்பு கோருதா. And now she is regretting. ஐயோ நான் தப்பு பண்ணிட்டேன், don't tell to father, அப்பாட்ட சொல்லாதீங்க அப்படின்னு she was crying. I couldn't bear for him to be disappointed in me. It's horrible to feel unworthy in the eyes of your parents. Okay, so she doesn't like to make her father upset. அவங்க அப்பாவை கஷ்டப்படுத்தணும்னு அவ நினைக்கல. And she thinks that it's unworthy, you can see in the word bank, not deserving respect. Okay, அம்மா அப்பா நம்மளை இனி மதிக்க மாட்டாங்க, நம்மளை இனி நேசிக்க மாட்டாங்க, நம்ம இப்படி தப்பு பண்ணிட்டோமே அப்படின்னு ரொம்ப கஷ்டத்தில் she couldn't bear, அவளால் தாங்க முடியல. she is regretting more. Next, it wasn't the first time. When I was little, I went to the bazaar with my mother and spotted a pile of almonds on a cart. They looked so tasty that I couldn't resist grabbing a handful. Okay, now she is remembering another incident which happened in her childhood, and this is not the first time that she is stealing. The thing which was happened before. Okay, இதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு வாட்டி இப்படி நடந்திருக்கு. When she was young, she went to a bazaar, ஷாப்பிங் போயிருந்தப்போ அவங்க ஒரு இடத்துல almond, a handful of almond, பாதாம், அது ஒரு நிறைய குமிச்சு வச்சுருந்தாங்க ஒரு வண்டியில். ஸோ அதை பார்த்ததும் அவளால் அது ஒரு கை அப்படி அள்ளி எடுக்கணும் அப்படின்னு நினச்சிட்டு she was taking it, grabbing it, அப்படி திருடுறா. Next, my mother told me off and apologized to the cart owner. He was furious and would not be placated. We still had little money and my mother checked her purse to see what she had. Okay, now her mother take her back to the cart owner and the almond வச்சிருக்கிறவர்கிட்ட போய் she is telling her to ask sorry, அவர்கிட்ட மன்னிப்பு கேளு அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. But the man, the cart owner, he wouldn't be placated. We cannot calm him down. Okay, he was not calm because almonds are very costly, so he is not accepting anything. Now her mother was checking the purse and, can you sell them to me for 10 rupees? She asked. No, he replied, almonds are very costly. Okay, now her mother is asking him for 10 rupees. 10 ரூபாவுக்கு அந்த ஆல்மண்ட் கொடுப்பீங்களா அப்படின்னு அவங்க அம்மா கேட்குறாங்க. But the man was saying, no, it was very costly, I cannot sell it for 10 rupees. Children, next page number 14. My mother was very upset and told my father. He immediately went and bought the whole lot from the man and put them in the glass dish. Okay, so now the thing like this, that thing happened and her mother was informing to the father, and now the father came and he bought more. Okay, நிறைய almond வாங்கி he was putting everything into the glass dish. எல்லாத்தையும் ஒரு glass dishல போட்டு அவங்க வீட்டில் வைக்கிறாங்க. Almonds are good, he said. His father is saying almonds are good. If you eat them with milk just before bed, it makes you brainy. But I knew he didn't have much money and the almonds in the dish were a reminder of my guilt. Okay, so what happened? He bought more almonds and he kept it in the room. And whenever she looked at the almonds, she was feeling guilt. அவளுக்குள்ள ஒரு குற்ற உணர்வு வந்துட்டே இருந்துச்சு. ஐயோ, அப்பா கிட்ட காசு இல்லை, என்னாலும் நான் இப்படி பண்ணி அப்பாவை கஷ்டப்படுத்திட்டேனே அப்படின்ற ஒரு கில்ட் ஃபீலிங்கோட அவள் இருந்தா. ஸோ அட் that time she is taking the promise. I promised myself I would never do such a thing again, and now I had. My mother took me to say sorry to Safina and her parents. It was very hard. Now Malala's mother taking her to Safina's home and she's asking her to say sorry, and it was very hard for her, but she's asking sorry. Safina said nothing about my phone, which didn't seem fair, but I didn't mention it either. Okay, this Malala is asking sorry to Safina, but Safina is not telling anything about the phone. அந்த ஃபோனை பற்றி அவள் எதுவுமே சொல்லலை. அது இவளுக்கு ஒரு நியாயமில்லாத விஷயமாக தோணுச்சு, அவளுக்கு கஷ்டமாக இருந்துச்சு. பட் அதை பற்றி அவள் யோசிக்கலை. she didn't mention it either. Next paragraph. Though I felt bad, I was also relieved it was over. ஓகே, ஸோ எனக்கு கஷ்டமாக இருந்தாலும் now everything was over. அப்போ அந்த பிரச்சனையெல்லாம் முடிஞ்சிட்டு I was coming out of the situation. அந்த ஸ்டீலிங்லேருந்து நான் வெளியில் வந்துட்டேன். Since that day, I have never lied or stolen, neither a single lie nor a single penny, not even the coins my father leaves around the house, which we are allowed to buy snacks with. I also stopped wearing jewelry because I asked myself, what are these baubles which tempt me? Why should I lose my character for the few metal trinkets? But I still feel guilty, and to this day I say sorry to God in my prayers. Okay, so now here she is explaining why she stopped wearing the jewels. Okay, this lesson topic we know why I don't wear jewelry. Here she is explaining it why she stopped wearing it, and this is the reason. Okay, she is saying இந்த ஒரு சின்ன பொருள் என்னோட கேரக்டரையே சோதிச்சிட்டு, ஸோ அதனால நான் இந்த பொருட்களை நான் அணிவதை நிறுத்திட்டேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஸோ யூ வில் see in word bank bubble trinket, that means a piece of jewelry usually cheap. That means the small jewelry things. Let's move on to next. My mother and father tell each other everything, so Abba soon found out why I was so sad. I could see in her eyes that I had failed him. I wanted him to be proud of me like he was when I presented with the first in year trophies at school. Okay, so at later her mother told all the truth to the father. Now the father knew the thing which was happened, and she was very guilt and she couldn't see his eyes. அவங்க அப்பாவோட கண்களை அவளால் பார்க்கவே முடியலை. அவளுக்கு ரொம்ப கஷ்டமாகவே இருந்துச்சு. She always wanted to make his father proud. She always wanted to give him surprises, but this time she failed. But she is remembering the things, the great things that she done for him. And she said, she is saying here, in the first year, in year trophies, she brought many trophies to him. In the kindergarten, Miss Ulfat told him, I had written only speak in Urdu on the blackboard for my classmates at the start of an Urdu lesson, so we would learn the language faster. Okay, அவங்க சின்ன வயசில் உருது படிக்கும்போது அவங்க கிளாஸில் நம்ம எல்லோரும் உருதில் தான் பேசணும் அப்படின்ற ஒரு இதை வந்து போர்டில் எழுதி போட்டால் அந்தளவுக்கு ஒரு நல்ல பொண்ணு, நல்ல எஜுகேஷன் மேலே லவ் உள்ள பொண்ணு அப்படின்னு அவங்க கிளாஸ் டீச்சர் வந்து அவளை பற்றி சொல்கிறாங்க. அதெல்லாம் கூட அவன் வந்து இந்த நேரத்தில் நினைவு கூர்றான். நெக்ஸ்ட் பேராகிராஃப். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த பிக்சர் ஆஃப் மலாலா அண்ட் ஹர் ஃபாதர். That is the old picture and this is the new picture. My father consoled me by telling me about the mistakes great heroes made when they were children. Okay, ஸோ இப்போ வந்து அவங்க ஃபாதர் வந்து அவ்வளோ கம்ஃபர்ட் பண்ணுறாரு. எல்லா பெரிய ஹீரோஸுமே சின்ன வயசில் அவங்க நிறைய தப்பு பண்ணியிருக்கிறாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாரு. He told me that Mahatma Gandhi said, freedom is not worth having if it does not include the freedom to make mistakes. Okay, freedom is not worth. Freedom is okay, but we should get freedom to make mistake. Okay, நமக்கு ஃப்ரீடம் கிடைக்கணும். அந்த ஃப்ரீடத்தில் நம்ம மிஸ்டேக் பண்ணுறதுக்கும் நமக்கு ஃப்ரீடம் இருக்கணும். why he is saying that when we do with each mistakes there is a fresh learning. Okay, ஒவ்வொரு மிஸ்டேக்லேயும் நம்ம நிறைய புதிய விஷயம் வந்து லேர்ன் பண்ணுவோம். that was the thing he is saying. Next, last line. I think everyone makes a mistake at least once in their life. The important thing is that you learn from it. Okay, the right thing she states here. She says everyone make mistake. You will make mistake, I will make mistake, everyone will make mistake. But the main thing is making mistake is not a problem. We have to learn from it. அதுலேருந்து நல்ல விஷயங்களை நம்ம கற்றுக்கணும். நம்ம தவறு பண்ணுவோம், ஆனால் அந்த தவறுலேருந்து நம்ம எவ்வளோ நல்ல விஷயங்களை கற்றுக்க முடியுமோ அந்த தவறை திரும்ப பண்ணாமல் நம்மளை பாதுகாத்துக்கணும். That is the lesson we learning from this story. Got it? So there are few things that we must remember in this lesson. We'll see that. Let us remember one book, one pen, one child and one teacher can change the world. Okay, it is the most inspirational quote of Malala Yousafzai. It is very important. Next, the saying of Mahatma Gandhi, freedom is not worth having if it does not include the freedom to make mistakes. Okay, making mistake is not a problem. If we make mistake, in each mistake there are fresh learning. We are learning new things. Next, this is the lesson that we have learned. I think everyone makes a mistake at least once in their life. The important thing is what we learn from it. It was said by Malala Yousafzai. Okay children, let's move on to our class work. All of you turn to page number 16. There you can see the reference to context. Page number 16. Reference to context. Take your pencil and write down the answers. Fourth one. Read the line. Read with me. Soon it became compulsion. I did not know how to stop. So here is the question. Who is I in these lines? Soon it became compulsion. I did not know how to stop. So who is I here? I is Malala. Okay, she only says she could not stop. Next, what became a compulsion for the speaker? Why? Okay, what became compulsion for Malala? Why? Can you say the answer? Yes, stealing. Stealing became compulsion for her because it gave her a thrill. It gives some pleasure to her. Next question. Which incident finally made her stop? Okay, which incident finally made her to stop the habit of stealing? Yes, when her mother found all the stolen things, the habit of stealing became stop. Next. They knew you were stealing, she said. They were waiting for you to come clean, but you just kept on. I felt a terrible sinking feeling in my stomach. I walked back to my mother with my head bowed. So, first question, who is she in the first paragraph? Okay, you can see they knew you were stealing. She said, okay, who is that she? That she refers to Malala's cousin Reena. Got it? Next, who is I in the second paragraph? There is two I's where there I feel a terrible singing feeling in my stomach. I walked back to my mother with my head bowed. So who is I here? I refers to Malala. Next, what does it mean to have a singing feeling? Sinking. It means to feel uneasy. It was not comfortable thing. What does the phrase to come clean mean? Can you guess what is the phrase to come clean mean? It means to keep nothing hidden. எதுவுமே மறைக்க முடியாது. To keep nothing hidden. Okay. So children, here is the answers. You can write it now in your book. Write neatly in your book. So children, now you write these answers in your book. Later you have to copy this in your classwork note. Got it? Later you have to write these all with question and answer in your classwork note. I will check the classwork note once you come to the school. So this should be in your classwork note with the question and the answer. Okay children, if you have finished, all of you open your classwork note. After you have finished writing this in the book, all of you open your classwork note. There you have written your Tamil meaning, synonyms, antonyms, and now you are going to write the question and the answer. Okay, let's move on. All of you open your classwork note. Write answer the following. There are 5 questions and answers. So start writing. Look at the video carefully and write it down. I'll read it for you, but you continue in writing. First question, who is an activist? Who is an activist? An activist is a person who works to achieve a certain change in the world around him or her. An activist is a person who works to achieve a certain change in the world around him or her. Second question, why did Malala like to play with her plastic mobile phone? Why did Malala like to play with her plastic mobile phone? The answer is Malala's father was always talking on his mobile and she loved to copy him and pretend to make calls on her. Malala's father was always talking on his mobile as she loved to copy him and pretend to make calls on her. Third question, why is Malala's mother unmoved by her explanation for stealing from Safina? Why is Malala's mother unmoved by her explanation for stealing from Safina? Malala's mother unmoved by her explanation because she believed that Malala should have set an example by not doing the same and teaching Safina a lesson in a better way. Malala's mother unmoved by her explanation because she believed that Malala should have set an example by not doing the same and teaching Safina a lesson in a better way. Fourth question, what is the most inspirational quote of Malala Yousafzai? What is the most inspirational quote of Malala Yousafzai? As you know, one child, one teacher, one book and one pen can change the world is the most inspirational quote of Malala Yousafzai. One child, one teacher, one book and one pen can change the world. Next, what message does Malala want to convey from the lesson Why I Don't Wear Earrings? What do you learn from this lesson? Everyone makes a mistake at least once in their life. The important thing is that you learn from it. Everyone makes mistake at least once in their life. The important thing is that you learn from it. So children, write fast and write neatly. Don't make any spelling mistake. You have to study all these question and answers. Study with the spellings. Everyone should study the spellings. Write fast and write neatly. I hope you have studied the Tamil meanings, synonyms and antonyms. Along with it, you have to study this question and answers. Who is an activist? Why did Malala like to play with her plastic mobile phone? Why is Malala's mother unmoved by her explanation for stealing from Safina? What is the most inspirational quote of Malala Yousafzai? What message does Malala want to convey from the lesson Why I Don't Wear Earrings? Children, I hope it is easy to learn. So learn it. Let's move on to next slide. Answers for previous homework. Here is the answers. So all of you check your homeworks. Dash was the younger recipient of Nobel Peace Prize in 2014. Answer is Malala Yousafzai. All of you take your homework note and check the homeworks. First one answer is Malala Yousafzai. Next, dash a person who works to achieve certain change in the world around him or her. Activist. Activist a person. Third one day Malala discovered that her dash had gone missing. Toy phone had gone missing and she suspected dash of stealing it. Safina of stealing it. Next one. Malala was always called a genius and was participating in everything. She was always called genius. Next one. Dash gave her thrill and soon it became a compulsion and she could know how to stop. Stealing. Stealing gave her thrill. I hope you all have written the correct answer. If not, write the correct answer now. So next we will look at today's homework. Let's move on to today's homework. Study the class works and answer the following questions. All of you take your homework note and write down the questions. You have to study and you have to write it down. Who is an activist? Why is Malala's mother unmoved by her explanation for stealing from Safina? What is the most inspirational quote of Malala Yousafzai? And at last, soon it became compulsion. I did not know how to stop. Who is I in these lines? What became a compulsion for the speaker? Why? Which incident finally made her stop? So children, you have to study all the classwork from the beginning till today's classwork. You have to study and answer the following questions. All of the questions you must write the answers. So note it down, today's homework. Children, don't waste your time at your home. Please utilize your time. There are 4 questions. You have to write down the answers. So our first lesson is over. In this first lesson we have learned about Malala, and she explained her personal incident from the childhood, why she doesn't wear jewelry. And it is very interesting to know about a small girl who received the Nobel Peace Prize. So I hope it was useful. This video is useful for you. So thank you children. We'll meet with next lesson in next video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Thank you.